Did you encounter Call of Duty Mobile controller not working on your Android phone? If yes, then don't panic, as in this video guide, you will come to know about how to fix COD Mobile controller not working on Android devices. But before going to the fixes, don't forget to like, subscribe and click the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Method 1. Force stop COD app. Follow the steps. Find the COD app on your device. Then, press and hold the app icon. Next, choose App Info. After that, click on the Force Stop option. After that, return to the COD app and open it. Method 2. Check your connection. When you are using a wired connection, make sure there is no damage to the wire. Always make sure that there is proper connection to avoid any kind of error while playing the game. Method 3. Restart your phone. Restarting your device is another option to fix COD Mobile controller not working. Follow the below steps. First, press and hold the power option on your phone. Next, choose Restart option on your screen and wait. Method 4. Check the controller properly. You should check if there is any kind of issue with the controller itself. First, disconnect the controller and ensure your device battery is fully charged. Also ensure that your controller is linked to device. Method 5. Validate settings for controller support. You can verify in-game settings for controller support that will help you to get rid of the issue easily. Also link the controller to your phone via Bluetooth and check if it's showing connected. Method 6. Use best controller. You should always try using the official and best COD controller. This is always suggested to avoid such issues on your device. You can go for Xbox Core, DualShock PS4, SteelSeries, etc. Method 7. Update your COD game. When you're using an older version of COD and have not updated for a long time, it can be the reason for your COD controller not working. Therefore, you should update the app immediately to avoid the issue. Method 8. Use a professional tool. If you are still looking for some advanced solution to fix the issue, then you should go for Android Repair Tool. It fixes all types of issues on Android or Samsung phones, including COD Mobile controller not working. Step 1. Download and install Android Repair Tool. Step 2. Click Repair Now option to go ahead. Step 3. Select correct device info. Step 4. Next, download firmware package. Step 5. Begin Android repair system.